Show me, let me see. Somebody's dancing. Oh, that's Snoop Dogg. Wow. So what's he doing there?
Oh, it's just dancing and showing off his moves.
Yeah, that's all he can do. In real life, that's all he can do. If you see him in real life, that's the same dance he would dance. So let's see how it does. How are we doing over here? Hello guys, we're testing out the Sennheiser. Let's see how well. This is a very windy spot. I'm using the Manfrotto tripod right now, which is the old school type, which I got from a thrift store, which is another story for another video. I don't have that much fear about it's tilting over and damaging my camera once again. By the way, the camera just came back from Canon, and I have a video as well for that repair. The whole transition from when I sent it to how much it cost, and I even did a B-roll at the Canon office. But for now, let's go on to the main issues for today. I'm already talking and testing the microphones, you know. I may have digressed, but I'm already testing the microphone. How does it sound? In the description below, go ahead and comment and let me know. I'll find out a little bit later on. Checking out the footage or editing, I'm gonna know for sure how this guy reacts to wind. Trust me, the wind is really high. If it's sounding good, then we have a good product. I was impressed with the test the other day, that was yesterday, when I did do a test in the office, walked downstairs. The audio quality was so high. Hello guys, welcome to another time out with me on Alec GTV. My name is Alec Godwin if you're just meeting me, and today yes, I am still in my sleeping clothes, and that's because I just want to get this over with. I want to get the first shot, which is the indoor shot for the Sennheiser XSW-D. Right now I'm using the Rode, I'll put the name. That's what I'm using as a boom over my head. That's the sound you're hearing right now. Okay, it is the first time I'm setting it up this way. I usually have it, you know, on the side, but it's, you know, obviously better from there. I just got the stand that's holding it right now, and I want to be able to, I'm doing it so I give the best of this guy here and be able to compare it with the Lavalier mic, all right, which I will set up in a minute. Okay, the last time I did the unboxing, it was the wrong pair. I had to send it back and replace it with the right pair. This is how it looks. I'll take them out one after the other. This one was missing in the last set. It goes on your camera. Okay. Alright. Your transmitter, you put it in here, and that's the one. I'll do the demonstration. I'll actually go outside. I just wanted to show you the items again. Now here are the two pairs that we should have had on the last unboxing. This is how it should look. What you need, this is how you should look. They look very identical. I'm not Casinista now. You see this? They look very identical. You can't even tell the difference. Okay. Now if you can see them real good, one has a microphone and the other has a camera on it, the camera logo. So this is the camera logo on this edge, look at it here, and then on this side you have a microphone side. So this, you know, this connects to this is the transmitter and this is the receiver. This goes to the Lavalier, your microphone, and this goes to the camera. Here is the microphone. Get this guy in focus. Charger, USB type 3. This is the same charger that charges the GoPro 5. That's what I have. Now I can have both of them charged at the same time, so which I did. I got them charged already and ready for testing. Instructions, they come at the bottom. When I got mine, I didn't know about the package, a power charger. For the same price, I could have gotten additional power bank to this setup, so I missed it, but you can get it. I'll put the link below. For exactly the same price of $349, you could get this same setup plus a power bank. But today we are just going to test and test. If you hear me now, feel the sound. Right now we're going to switch over to the Sennheiser XSW-D, and right now you can check it out. Let's go. So we are on right now. How does it sound? Let me know. That's my only drawback, but most of the operations is done by this same button right here, the one you turn it on with. To know if the battery is dying, is the same button or the same light. So it's one LED light and one button. That's all the operation you got. If you want to turn off, you click it one time. It is like it puts it on hold. Even though they're connected, it's on hold. You could put it on hold on either the receiver or the sender or the transmitter. So right now they're connected. You should be hearing me loud and clear. How does it sound in comparison to this guy, the Rode? I want to have at least 2 days to like really run through and check this. We'll go outside later on and go check how the sound is outside. So, but right now I can't hear it. I'm only assuming that we have a good sound and it's the volume and all that is okay. So, yeah. Whatever my comments about this sound, I'll probably put it right here on the screen. My son wants some food or some snacks from the fridge. I don't want him to go jump in there himself, so I gotta go. So while I'm going downstairs, I'll keep talking and hopefully you get the sound. So enjoy yourself with this lovely chair right here, huh? I'll be back while you listen to my audio. Okay, let's see how well the transmitter transmits. So what can I get you, Joshua? So I'm downstairs now, and I hope I'm still. What you want? Bread with Nutella. Okay. It's Nutella, not Metella. Nutella. Nutella. No.
It's Nutella.
Spell it.
N-U-T-E-L-L-A.
Good job. Let me find. Good job. All right, so I got you. How much can you eat?
1.
I thought you were hungry.
Oh, I'm hungry, yeah.
You're hungry? Why one? Why one slice? That big boy.
I found in Roblox.
Oh, you playing Roadblocks? Who's that? Is that it? It looks like it. Show me. Let me see. Somebody's dancing. Oh, that's Snoop Dogg.
Wow.
So what's he doing there?
Oh, it's just dancing and showing off his moves.
Yeah, that's all he can do. In real life, that's all he can do. If you see him in real life, that's the same dance he would dance. But anyway, you shouldn't know Snoop Dogg yet, okay? Yeah, they just put his character there to make people excited. Okay, I hope you guys are getting my audio to make a mess. Sit down. Sorry guys, I'll be right back. I'm sure this is more than enough illustration or demonstration. Hopefully there's no silence in between us. Hopefully you guys been hearing me all the while. And yeah, I'm coming right back. And right now, yeah. Okay, so back in the picture. What do you think? Did it cut off? That I'm fine out. I'll check it right now and then I'll write my verdict right here, right now. And then we can go outdoors for real this time. I'm just hoping that it will do same way here outdoors, even though I'm stretching it a little bit because of the wind. I think I'm talking a little bit louder than usual. So I'm going to try and keep my voice down and see how well it holds up to the wind. Okay, so how is it working right now? Because I'm trying to calm down and not react to the wind. I'm not reacting to the wind. Oh my God, we YouTubers though. Okay, so let me take that walk, and I'll keep myself company. Now I expect that this pin, the mic won't give me the best sound when I turn my face away from that. I think if I read correctly in the line of sight, that means it probably not sound right when I do this. Okay, it may not affect it now, but when I begin to walk further away, then it probably will. So I'm going to set this guy on and be talking. So I'm just in case I cut off and I'm not talking to anybody. So I feel like I actually am talking to a camera right here, which is still you guys back there. So I can switch over to this guy now. I'll do that. I'll back up like this, you know, just to get a little bit of distance. Then when I think I'm further away well enough, I'm going to turn around and try that test and see how well, you know, I think I should do it every now and then. So I'll turn around now. So I'm gonna turn around now. I'm gonna turn around now and see how well it does. Can you hear me? Sound. Yo. Want me to bust rap right now? Yeah, my name is Alec G, CEO of the Alex Music Company. Yeah, I'm the man that will always have a plan B. You're welcome to Alec G TV. Okay, so now I'm this distance away. I have no clue how far away I am from the actual camera right there, but I don't think I want to go anywhere further away from my camera at any point in time. Yeah, this is perfect for me. If it works for me at this range, I'll be very glad, you know. So, but we still got to go. We're going to push it until we can't hear no sound. Then we'll know how far away that is, okay? By eyeballing. Trust me, I have no clue about this distance measurement. But, so I'm going to back up some more. And yeah, let me see all the gist I would love to talk to you guys about. Oh, what are the videos that are coming out right now? Got a lot of videos coming out. There's so much. Sometimes I work on one half, you know, I work on a video halfway, and you know, and some other video turns out to be more relevant and I stop, you know, and sometimes it's just because it's going to take a long time for that video to get ready. That's why I skip the video too much. Sometimes some videos, because of the content, I don't want to be, you know, sometimes I might cut up the audio and use that one whenever it's usable, but I'll merge the pictures together. You get the point, right? Do you? Like I said, I'm hoping that this device is performing perfect as it was indoors when I tried it. So I'm gonna go check my footage. You're probably laughing at me or laughing at the device, or you're probably saying, wow, I'm getting that, I'm getting it. You know, I don't want to shout again. Let me remember to calm down. So you're probably saying that you want to get your own product. You want to get one for yourself. If you want to get one, the links will be down in the description. I'm satisfied with the performance indoors, and whatever I think about the performance, I will write it here on the screen. And then you go ahead and tell me in the comments below what you thought about the device. Do you need something that can go beyond where I worked? You know, do you need something that far? I'm sticking to this because of the price, and the quality is good, and I'll probably be getting another one. So when I'm shooting my next movie, I'll hide these clips behind them. And what happened to me in 2020 with my first short movie in the US will not happen to me on another set. It's a mess what audio can do to you. So that's why I'm not playing anymore, okay? The next short movie from me, I'm gonna get my audio right, whether I have help or not. And thanks to Sennheiser, who by the way did not sponsor this video, who should be sponsoring this video, who probably will sponsor future videos. I hope I bought it with my own money, and I'm doing this just first to learn from myself and to benefit you guys out there. You learn from my experience, learn from me buying this stuff, and figure out if it's a good buy for you guys, so you don't have to buy it if it's not, but you buy it if it is, knowing that you're not making a mistake. So I hope you appreciate that, and I hope you give me a thumbs up for doing that. Watch the videos and then subscribe, like, and then we get encouraged to do more reviews that will guide you to buying stuff. Right now I gotta go, so I gotta sign out. Thank you guys for watching, and once again, if you're just meeting me, my name is Alec Godwin. I'm sorry I can't help but shout at the end, because there's gonna be some round of applause for my wonderful audience who's watching right now, who really appreciates what I'm doing. Now, see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. For those who just joined in, we're just demonstrating this is not how normally look. I know the shirt is not pressed, but the point is this guy needs to be somewhere here, not over here. I guess about here should do. So I needed a shirt. This is where you turn it on, right here. When you press the buttons together, you get that they pair automatically. You don't need to do any frequency check or whatever. So let's press. This is on. This is blinking. It's on. It's blinking. It's waiting for this guy. And this guy is not coming on. Okay, this is on now. And now they are connected. They are no longer blinking.